All right, let's go. Opening up some Donruss 2022 football cards. These were new at Target today, fresh off the distributor's, I don't know, truck. And these were not in a case. They were out of the case. So maybe that means they're case hits. Or maybe it means I should have opened up the case and got one out of the case. Let's open these up. I don't usually buy retail packs. Usually I'm buying like other people's collections. There we go. Drake London rookie. Tony Romo. JJ. John Mechie. Drake London. That's a silver Prizm. Really off-centered. So is he the guy who had cancer? I think he is. I think that's the guy who got diagnosed with cancer after he got drafted. Which, hope he's okay. We got a pink and looks like a purple back there. Peyton, Corey Davis, Treston Ebner, and a Kyle Hamilton. That must just be the color of the Ravens jersey. Is pink? No, pink is not numbered, but it's a pink Prizm. Let's see, then we've got, this one feels a bit fatter. Come on. Ooh, the second to last card could be a good one. Deshaun, Aziz, Tony Baselli, silver Prizm, and Montrell Washington. Come on, give me some good rookies. Let's get an Aiden or a Jameson or any quarterback. Any quarterback would be great. Marquise Brown. Ooh, Trayvon Walker. This is awesome. Black and white, parallel silver. Got a little dent in it, looks like. But that's awesome. Does it say variant on the back? No, but that's obviously not supposed to be there. You see that little ding? Shoot. Why do they always have dings? Derek Stingley, and that guy. So that, I wonder what are the odds of that card? Let's see, they don't give you the odds, but it's some kind of variant. You tell me what it is. T. Higgins, Damian Pierce. There we go, pink Desmond Ridder, nice. And Jeremy Ruckert. He could have a really good year next year. With Rodgers throwing the ball, that could be really good. Finally, our last one. L'Jarius Sneed, that's awesome. Damian Harris, Jalen Pitt, and Khair Elam. That was the guy, the friend of the guy who got hurt real bad. Okay, so that Trayvon Walker is a pretty cool card, despite it having a you see that right there? Pretty cool. Thanks for watching.